Let's make the best and yummy cake recipe. This cake came out so nice and delicious as well. The outcome was perfect, guys. You will love it when you watch this video to the end. Without wasting time, let's go and make it. In a bowl, I'll go in with my margarine. If you have butter, you can also use it, and I'll leave the quantity of the ingredients in the description box below. I will then go ahead, use my wicks. If you have a mixer, you can also use it for this recipe. I'll then go in with my sugar and mix everything all together until the color changes. If today is your first time here, you are welcome to my channel where I share anything related to food recipe. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a video. So guys, after whisking this for 10 minutes, here is it. Now you can see the color has changed very well. I will then go ahead and add my eggs. So in all, I'm using 2 eggs. I will then go in with the first and then mix everything all together. Okay, fam. So now I'll go in with my other eggs. I'll also add vanilla extract. You can add any flavor of your choice for this recipe. I'll then go ahead to mix everything all together. Moving forward, guys, I went ahead to add my dry ingredients at this point, and I added some flour, baking powder, some salt, and also I added my star ingredient, that's my Cerelac. You can use any of the flavors, and this is optional. I added it to my cake, and this gives the cake a very unique a nice taste. You will love it when you add this to your cake recipe. So I'll go ahead and mix everything all together. If you are still watching me up to this moment, thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to reach wider audience. So I realized my mixture was too soft, so I added a little bit of the flour and then mix everything together again. Okay, fam. So now everything is well combined. This is our texture now, and I'll go ahead and add my evaporated milk. So I'm going to mix everything until I get the consistency that I'm going for. So you can watch me on Facebook and watch my short videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube short. The name is Ketty Cooks and it is free. You don't have to pay any amount. So now here is our butter. This is not too watery and it's not too thick. This is just perfect for this recipe. Just look at it now. Okay, so I have here my baking pan which I've already greased. I will then go in with some flour and then I will just spread this just to prevent the cake from sticking. So I will do this, and after doing it, this is what we have now. So now I will just go ahead and then pour my cake batter into the pan. So after that, I will just go ahead and tap to get rid of any excess air from it. So this is okay. So I bake this cake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes, and voila, guys, just look at the lovely outcome of our cake recipe. Guys, this came out so nice, and I really love the final outcome. And if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like and share this video. Just look out, the outcome so superb. And guys, let's check how soft our cake came out. And this came out so soft. The inside was so nice. This cake tasted so delicious as well, and you will love this recipe when you give this a try. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below, and I'll be very glad to read them. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next upload.